everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I have got my flexi hand and I've got a load of stuff and we're going to be using it all today. I've got some Madam Glam gel polishes. I'll show you what they are as I use them. I've got some nail sugar glitter. Oh my god, they're so nice. I've got some little neon dots. These are obviously from Nail Sugar as well. And I've got some Fimo fruits. These were from this little pot that is from Nail Sugar as well. Lots of Nail Sugar stuff. So to begin with, oh, hang on. Right, yeah. Okay, so strawberry infused pink. We're going to be using this one. This one is going to go on the pinky and the thumb. Pinky and the brain, no, just the thumb. And I'm going to apply 2 coats, but I'm just going to show you me putting 1 coat on and remove any hairs. The next colour is called Spring Fling. So I'd done this set before I got the new colours. If I'd have known, I would have used the Kiss on the Cheek. I probably would have used that one instead because it is one of the newer ones, but this one is a very similar colour. So again, I'm putting 1 coat on and then I'm going to put the 2nd coat on in a minute. This is Neon Sun. I love this one. This is like one of my favourite yellows. This is going to look really nice with green highlighter from the new collection. Oh yes, it looks so freaking gorgeous. The next one is called Neon Lime Green. So again, if I'd have had that collection before I'd done this set, I would have used one of the greens from the new collection. Before I got the new collection, this was probably one of my favourite greens. Now the new collection has obviously bumped this one out the way, but I do still like it. Don't get me wrong, I still like it. So this is then strawberry infused pink, which is going on the thumb. Okay, so when you have applied your first coat, all Madam Glam gel polishes secure in an LED lamp for 30 seconds. I'm using the Madam Glam, I think it was called the Holly lamp. I've used that one for ages, I really like it. So this is me going in with my 2nd coat. So the pinky and the thumb are the same. I'm sure I just said that at the beginning. And then Spring Fling, and then Neon Sun, and then Neon Lime Green. Okay, now we're going to go in with some builder gel. This one is called Pure Serenity. This is Madam Glam's clear builder in a bottle. I'm just going to put a thin coat over I'm just literally going to coat each now. Imagine like you're applying a coat of gel polish. That is what I'm doing with the, I don't know what I've done here. Oh, I'll tell you what I was doing. I watched a film while I was doing this set. It was a really rubbish film. I can't remember what it's called now. Something like Hungerford. It was a bit pants. It was like a low budget alien film. But it was quite funny. Anyway, I was watching that. I'd obviously stopped to watch the film. I must have been engrossed in that part. Okay, so don't go too mad because there's going to be lots of layers on these nails and we don't want too much bulk. So I'm going to try and keep this layer quite thin. This is just to apply some glitter on this one. Right, I'm not going to cure this. I'm also going to apply a little bit of base coat to my palette, just in case I want to dampen my brush, moisten my brush. Okay, the first glitter I'm going to be using is Dippy Hippie. This one I'm using, I'm going to use this one on strawberry infused pink nails. Can't get my words out. Yeah, so I've decided, right, in a lot of my videos I go, yeah, right, okay, yes, so, I say that a lot. I do. These are the neon dots. What I'm going to do is for each nail, I'm going to pick out a particular colour of dot. So I'm not going to use like lots of different colour dots. This one, I wanted more of a red look. So I tried to pick out the dots that were kind of, there's like a neon reddy kind of colour in there. So I was just picking out a few of those. Now, I don't really know what I was thinking of with this set. I just wanted to play with the Fimo fruits. And these were, I was kind of thinking like fizzy drinks with fruit fruity fizzy drinks, and I thought these neon dots look quite good as like bubbles in a drink, but I don't really know. Anywho, I'm just separating them, like evening them out, and then I'm going to leave it like that. So remember all this, the builder gel is still not cured, it's still uncured. This one is called Lava Lamp. This one looks really nice on Spring Fling. I love the name of it as well. Can you hear my dog chewing his bone? That bloody bone, Ted. Your bloody bone. Oh, but you're so gorgeous. Just you are. I love my little puppy dog. He's not a puppy dog anymore. He's over 2 now. Right, the dots. This one, we're going to try and... Oh, I needed to yawn then. We're going to try and pick out some of the more neon-y, corally, orangey colours. And again, we're putting these on afterwards because I wanted them to stand out more on top of the glitter. By the way, the video that I said was really stupid, we was going to put a really stupid video up on Wednesday, I decided against that one and I put the glitter video up. I hope you all liked the glitter video. I just thought it was something different. And my Wednesday's videos, I'm trying to do something a little bit different. Okay, the next glitter is Sundays, or is it Monday? I don't know, but this one's called Sundays. Again, can we just take a minute to appreciate this nail? I freaking love this one. I love the glitter. I love the gel polish. I just love neon yellow. I don't know what it is. And neon lime green. I just freaking love these colours. Okay, so we're going to pick out the neon yellow dots. I do need to yawn. Oh my gosh. Guess what I was up till 1 o'clock doing this morning? Actually, it was nearly 1 o'clock. I think I turned my iPad off at 12:30. I was watching that bloody Tiger King programme on Netflix. Bunch of weirdos, a lot of them, but I just couldn't stop watching. Okay, Miss Miami is going on the lime green nail. I feel like such a chatterbox today. I bumped into my neighbour when we was walking the dogs, and I ended up talking to her, and I had to send her a message afterwards and said, I'm really sorry, I'm a bit of a chatterbox today. Bless her. Okay, so this is Miss Miami. Oh God, I'm going to yawn again. They've started now. They have the yawns, the tiredness. This is what happens when you go to bed at almost 1 o'clock and get up at about 5:30. Maybe it was 6 o'clock. I don't know, it's way too early though. Okay, so we're going to pick out the green dots now. Now the green dots and the yellow dots look quite similar in colour, but when you put them over the base colour, it doesn't matter. They still look quite good. I quite like it actually. Though to be fair, this isn't one of my favourite sets I've ever done, but I just wanted to play with the Fimo fruits. Okay, and then this one we're going to put more pinky dots on. So the more pinky, more pinker. Remember on the pinky we put the more red dots. This one we're going to put the more pink dots because I don't know why I used strawberry infused pink twice. I should have used a pinker one. I don't know. So anyway, just grab the pinker dots. Not polka dots, pinker dots. Okay, and then we are going to cure this in the lamp for 30 seconds. That's going to ensure that everything is stuck in place. Then I'm going to go in with another thin coat of builder gel all the way across the nails, and don't cure them. Okay, now into that uncured into that uncured builder gel. Yeah, it is gel. Into that uncured builder gel, we're going to start applying our Fimo fruits. So on this one, I've got an apple and a strawberry because they were both red. This one is going to be sort of like more oranges. That one had like an orange outside, and don't be afraid to cut some of them in half if you want like half a slice. You can do that. There's no rules to say you can't do it. Oh my goodness, children outside. I moved that round because I just felt like that needed to go in the middle. Now you can put as much fruit or as little fruit as you want. I'm sure I've done Fimo fruit nails before. I've never been quite happy with them though. I don't know what it is. I might do them again at some point, probably next year. So this is the more limey nail. Limey, not slimy, though it's green, so it could be slimy. I don't know. There we go. And then on the thumb, which is the last nail, obviously we're going to put them more, there were more pinky fruits. I think this is a dragon fruit. I don't know. Dragon fruit and an apple. But the apple was like pink. It was really bizarre. Maybe it was red, it just looked pink. Anyway, we're going to cure that in a lamp for 30 seconds. No one cares, Natalie. No one cares. Then we're going to use the builder gel to start creating our shape. So I would suggest putting a layer over the nails. And make sure you get in between those fruits. And then you want to get another, you want to get your brush loaded up quite nicely and start creating your structure. Remember with this stuff, try and keep your brush in contact with the gel, otherwise the more you take the gel off of the nail and back into the gel, the more likely you are to create air bubbles. I'm no gel expert, don't get me wrong, it's just what I've heard on the grapevine. Okay, so cure that in the lamp. I cure it for 60 seconds the last time, and then I'm just going to do exactly the same thing with all the other nails. I don't know why I put this in, because I'm just doing the same as what I've done with the other nail. So I put like almost like a slip layer, and then I start to build the structure. And make sure you get down the sides. There was a, like, you can hold it, yeah, anyway. I don't know. Okay, so once we've done, well, they're not done, but they are structured-ish and cured. We're going to wipe off the tacky layer. I don't like this part. I don't like that tacky layer. I used to call it sticky shit, but I think that's a little bit rude. I don't know, I've not said that for a long time. Sticky shit. Just take it off anyway, and then you can start to file your nails. So this is what it looks like to start filing. I do end up taking the nails out to file them because I don't put them in far enough. There we go. So they've been filed and buffed, and we're now going to just clean them again. Make sure you get all that dust off, because you don't want to get your dust in your top coat, because that's just going to ruin the whole look. The silicone hands like to just, everything likes to stick to them. We're going to use Madam Glam's No Wipe Top Gel. If you want to get 30% off at Madam Glam, you can do so using my code NATMUG30. And if you want to get 10% off at Nail Sugar, you can also do so using my code NATMUG10, all in caps. But all the information, as per usual, will be in the description box below. And it's now top coating time. They know, Nats, they've started. No, I've started already. I'm just late to say top coating time. Clearly the best part of all nail sets is top coating time. Literally, I've done this really late. I've spent the whole day doing a set of tropical nails for a competition. I don't think I'm going to win, but I've enjoyed doing them, and I've recorded it for YouTube as well, so I thought that would be quite nice. But it's a very long video, so I'm going to have to edit it and get it on my iMac straight away, because it's going to take up loads of space on my phone, and I can't upload it until after the competition. I think it's announced on the 14th of May or something. I don't know. Anyway, I keep going off at a tangent, don't I? I'm such a waffler today. There we go. Pop those in the lamp for 30 seconds to cure, and then this is going to be the finished set. Ooh, they look nice here. I hope you like them anyway. If you did, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. It's Thursday, I think. Yeah, I think it's Thursday. So I will see you lot tomorrow. It's Friday tomorrow. Whoop, whoop. Okay, bye.